Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sarah and this is Rich and Sarah Learning as We Grow. And it is a new fresh year, which always makes me think of getting clean and organized and getting your house in order. And there's so much that I still have to learn in this department. I have 3 little boys. I have a husband. I have twins. All my kids are under the age of 7 and they're all boys. So I really have to make sure that I have some of the best cleaning products ever. So today I want to share with you some of my favorite ultimate 2019 cleaning products. Let's get going. Click that red subscribe button if you haven't already and join the family, and here we go. Alright you guys, we are just starting to feel better and to head back into civilization from being super sick with sinus infections and this like goodness, this like pressure and a cold and everything. So we're taking the boys to the park. We're gonna get a little bit something to eat and we're just gonna kind of enjoy our Sunday. We didn't make it out to church today because it was just like too much to get everybody ready to go, and like Rich is still kind of under the weather. So anyway, you guys are gonna come along with us. Alright you guys, so we grabbed some lunch at Costco. You cannot beat the Costco lunch. How much is it, babe?
$7.
$7 and you get,
we got
our whole
and 2 hot dogs.
2 slices of pizza, 2 hot dogs, and how many drinks? 3 drinks?
Well,
2 drinks.
2 drinks, but we already had 2 drinks.
Right. $7 to feed your whole family is like amazing. And yes, don't laugh at my glasses. I know you all want these. I didn't have glasses and I ran by my parents and I was like, Mom, can I borrow some sunglasses? And this is what she came up with, like some rainbow bright sunglasses. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna take the boys on a little bike ride. I tell Rich all the time, I said, even if I ever were to like win the lottery or be like a gazillionaire, I would still appreciate the simple pleasures of Costco lunches.
I would buy a $2 billion mansion.
I would still get Costco lunches. With a simple mind. They're the best hot dogs ever. I've never had a Dodger dog. Are these better? Or is it just different?
It's different, and no.
Dodger dogs are the best.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Richard's feeling better today.
I'm getting there.
A little bit. He was so sick and he like never gets sick.
But I stayed sick.
You stayed sick.
Usually
for a while.
I get sick and like I'll sleep it off a day, maybe 2, and then I'm better. I couldn't get rid of this.
And he'd be like, I'm so sick.
Yeah, I was always saying, but I'm more like, you know when you think out loud, I was just like, I don't feel good. And I kept saying that to myself, but she took it like I'm telling her, and she's like, I got it. You don't feel good, like 4 days later. It's like,
I admit, I'm the one that's like, I'm so sick, everybody take care of me. Except when I have babies like a champ. Don't cry about it. Get in there, get her done.
That's true.
And now it's time for what you've all been waiting for, the 2019 best cleaning products, in my opinion. Here we go. I've showed you a little bit of our day. Now it's time to get clean. You guys ready? Alright you guys, so one of my favorite cleaning products is this Method all-purpose naturally derived surface cleaner. It is from Target. I find it at Target at least. I love all of the Method cleaning products. I actually changed out the top to mine because I have a favorite like spray nozzle that I like the best. But Method is amazing. It is natural, it's safe, it's healthy, it's organic for your family. It says it cuts grease and grime. It is non-toxic, plant-based, power green technology, and as a mom that makes me feel good to use around my little ones and my pets and animals. But I love this. We use this on everything. I use this to clean my stove. I use this to wipe off my marble countertops. I use this in my bathroom. I use it on wood surfaces, just about everything. So you'll make sure that in your cleaning bag of tricks this year for 2019 that you have Method all multi-purpose cleaner. Next up, another Method product. It is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. It smells amazing. It's got that minty, like fresh scent that you love. It cleans glass so well. And one thing as a busy mom with 3 boys that I constantly am doing, I feel like, is wiping my mirrors, wiping down my glass, wiping my glass tables, because somehow kids get little peanut butter and jelly fingerprints all over everything. But with Method, you don't have to worry about that. Your house will remain clean and sparkling fresh. Okay, another product that I could not live without are the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Who as a mom can tell me that you have to have this? I was a teacher before I was a mom, and I love these just as much in my classroom as I do here in my home. I've made Rich a believer. My husband, now he uses them. I mean, they get marker off of your wall. We homeschool, so we get like dry eraser on our wall sometimes. Permanent marker, it's taken out. It'll take out paint. It'll take out just those little like bumps and grimes that kids get on the wall. Like our kids have bashed their bike into the wall and it took off the tire marks. Everything, oh my goodness, Mr. Clean wipes. And I feel like you can't substitute them with like an off-brand. It has to be the Mr. Clean wipes. So if I'm sharing some of my favorite cleaning products for us, like as in body washes and stuff like that, I love this Up and Up. It's the Target brand. It's called Polish and Refresh Sea Salt and Kelp Exfoliating Body Wash, and I love it. It's almost like those like sugar scrubs that you get when you get your like nails done. Can I film this? Alright, you guys, bottom line, even Rich loves it. Babe, don't you love this? Sea Salt and Kelp Exfoliating Body Wash.
Haven't used it. I see it in the shower, but I haven't used it.
I love it. You don't care. He's a grimy Marine. Oh. You don't care what he body washes with. But me, I love this one. So you guys gotta check it out. And it's not very expensive. Target, get it today. Alright guys, next up is the Arm & Hammer Powerfully Clean Laundry Detergent. I love this one because, again, I have little boys, they have dirty little pants all the time or like dirty shirts, and it really gets the grime out and the grease, and I think it's great. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video on cleaning products that you need in 2019. For more videos like this, make sure you click that red subscribe button. If you want to see funny videos, like we did a whole funny day in the life of a mom video, you won't want to miss it. Click right here for that one. And if you want to see some of my Rae Dunn finds, make sure you click right down here. Alright you guys, keep on growing. Peace. See you mañana. Bye guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so embarrassed. I was just editing the video and I went back through and looked at it. I realized that I did the whole video right there with a big fat piece of pepper in my teeth, and that's just life. So I'm sorry you guys, I don't want to refilm it. I guess I gotta clean my teeth. Talk about cleaning supplies. Maybe I should invest in some toothpaste and toothbrushes.